You're now about to hear the ballad of Cat Ballou. She was the queen of the outlaws, Her Highness Cat Ballou.
Miss Parker didn't introduce us. I'm Kathy Ballou.
I'm drunk as a skunk.
You all say you love me and are beholden to me, and take it easy, Cat. We're going to take care of you. And the first time I ask you to do one little thing for me, I draw one little tray.
Now, hold on, man. Listen, Miss Ballou. Now, ma'am.
A whisper and Ginny and a drunken gunfighter, a sex maniac, and an uncle.
Someday. Lee Marvin as the drunkest gun in the West. Michael Callan as the maniac. Dwayne Hickman as the uncle with the good book. Tom Nardini as the noble red man. Nat King Cole, Stubby K. Jane Fonda as Cat Ballou, girl train robber.
I loved working with Jane and with Lee and all the guys. I mean, it was a terrific experience. We shot the picture in about, I think it was 6 or 7 weeks. It was a very, very short schedule. And Lee Marvin was he was a trip. He dragged me under the table a couple of times. What can I tell you? And I remember when we shot it in where the heck did we shoot it? I think wasn't Utah. It was somewhere out there in the Midwest. But when they finished shooting and we were coming back into LA to continue the shooting, they knocked on Lee's door, to put him together, and he was shooting at the signs, drunker than a skunk, on the way to the airport. And I remember they said the first shot that he had to do was as the other character, the Kid Shalene character. So they had to get him sobered up that afternoon when he got in. He was fun though. We had a lot of laughs, and I spent a little bit of time socially with Lee after the picture was made. And then we kind of lost touch. I think he got married and moved to Texas or wherever he moved to. And he died a short time later. But he made some good films, didn't he? He's a good actor.